Hey scholars, so I'm just reminding you how you use flashcards. So on Google Classroom, we have the link, and then if you're watching this video, you also know where the link is. It's on the same post on Google Classroom. So you have the choice to do addition, subtraction, or we'll go multiplication for now, okay? And you choose either one. Ooh, or you could do add and subtract. So let's say I wanted to do add and subtract. Now, I know there's a lot of other ads on here and stuff. Just make sure you click on what I'm telling you to click on. Level 1 is easiest, 7 is hardest. I'm going to start right here. Level 4 in the middle. Now you scroll down. Remember, only click on what I'm showing you here. How many tasks can you solve in 2 minutes? Click start. And then it will be ready. Okay, so I solved this. Enter. All right, yeah, I'm not going to keep going. But yeah, so then when you're done this, if you want to, you can go back and try a harder level, or you can do the same level you already worked on. Okay, so that is how you use flashcards online.